Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this viral 3D zoom strobe effects in CapCut. So what you need to do first is add a photo to CapCut, then click on the photo, go to style. Here swipe through the category until you find the 3D Zoom Pro, this one. Click on that. Okay, so now the 3D zoom has been applied and you need to add the strobe effect. So click on the video effect and in here find the strobe. Click on enter. Okay, so add this strobe effect, click on the effect. You can always adjust it, but I'm going to just full speed 100. Now go back, click on the check icon and you are done with this result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.